Saponification is the process that involves conversion of fat, oil or lipid into soap and alcohol by the action of heat and the presence of aqueous alkali. Anyway, soaps are sort of fatty acids and fatty acids are mono that have long carbon chain, at least 10. Example, sodium palmitate. Triglycerides in the presence of NaOH or alkali KOH form glycerol and sodium palmitate, a soap. What is hydrogenation? Hydrogenation converts double bonds in oil to single bond, saturated to unsaturated to saturated. The solid product of hydrogenation from oil are used to take margarine and other hydrogenated item. In hydrogenation, a process by which hydrogen is added directly to the point of unsaturation. This is the double bond. After hydrogenation change into the single bond and hydrogen is added directly to the point of unsaturation in the fatty acid. In this process of hydrogenation, hydrogen gas is reacted with oil and elevated temperature and pressure in the presence of catalyst. The catalyst most widely used in nickel. What is hydrolysis? It is also called saponification. In this, triglyceride will be hydrolyzed and split into the glycerol and fatty acid. Fatty acids are soaps and the process is saponification or called hydrolytic of cleavage fats. And this triglyceride change into the glycerol and fatty acid in the presence of alkali. When triglyceride treated with NaOH base, glycerol and sodium palmitate salt will form through the hydrolysis with a strong base KOH. Triglycerides split into the glycerol and salt of fatty acid. The process of the formation of sodium palmitate is called saponification. A stronger base give softer soap. Auto-oxidation or density. Oxidative density or auto-oxidation is the chemical decomposition of fatty acid which produce unpleasant odor and taste. Fatty acids further undergo auto-oxidation and is broken down to hydrocarbon, aldehyde, ketone and a small amount of alcohol and epoxide. This process is the production of free radical in catalytic chain. This process can virtually forever. The either radical can react with atmospheric oxygen to form an alkyl peroxy radical, and which in turn can react with second molecule of ether to form hydroperoxide and generate an ether radical identical to one we started with. This new radical can also react with oxygen to form additional hydroperoxide and generate an identical radical. What is drying of oil? Drying oil is an oil that hardens the tough solid film after a period of exposure to air. The oil hardens through the chemical reaction in which the components cross-linked by the action of oxygen, not through the evaporation of the water or other solvent. Drying oil are a key component of oil paints and some varnishes. Some commonly used drying oil include linseed oils, tung oil, poppy seeds and walnut oil. They are used to decline over the past several decades as they have been replaced by alkyl resins and other binder. What is, in other words, drying oil? When highly unsaturated oil are exposed to the air, they undergo oxidation and polymerization to form thin film in waterproof thin film